What up, y'all? It's your girl JC back at it again with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks for rocking out with me. Shout out to everybody who's been watching all my videos. Shout out to my baby sis. She told me she watched every single one of my videos and she tried to like all of them. I really appreciate the love. Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. You know, I love these unboxings. I just love shopping. I'm super excited because we have some hair products from some people of color who have made these products called As I Am. I seen them on TikTok. This one girl, I'll post her name of how I found out she was using it. She was putting the blue in her hair and it was looking just so cute. I was like, yes, sis, it looks so cute on her. So I was like, let me test these out because I'm always trying to color my hair and it colors your hair without, you know, damaging it. It just washes out. Let's get into the unboxing. We got some hair products. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so first we have this coconut co-wash. This is the #1 selling co-wash, so it better do what it's supposed to do. So I can't wait to tell y'all how I like that. I've been really wanting a co-wash for a really long time because, yeah, we're not supposed to use shampoo, and I've been using shampoo lately. Kill me, I know, that's horrible. Can't believe I know the rules and I've been breaking them. Horrible. So I'm super excited for that. And then I got this Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. It restores and repairs your hair, so I'm excited for that. Love a leave-in. This is super small, so I'm pretty sure I'll go through it rather quickly, but I don't really wear my hair curly like that. Actually, I need to go on a journey and take better care of it. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I be leaving her a little dry sometimes because I really just don't like doing my hair. Like, I just rather whip it up in some braids, or I used to really be into wigs until I was like, my little edges had got pulled out a few years ago, you know, whenever I was wearing wigs. And then I also was over like the wiggy look, so I was looking real wiggy for a second. Like, at first I was getting it, it was cute, but I've also learned how to do wigs better, so I can't wait to put that knowledge to use. Next product. Okay, so this is the stuff I'm super excited about because it is hair color that is not gonna like last forever. It's temporary hair color. You throw that in your hair while you're styling it, take the style out, boom, you have hair color. But once you wash your hair, it's gonna like go away. I haven't used it yet, but y'all will see. You know, I had to get red, one of my favorite colors. Love red hair. It's my favorite hair color of all time. I always want to be red, but it's just super high maintenance. I am a low high maintenance girl because I like to look high maintenance. Like, I like my lashes done, but I ain't trying to put on a strip lash every day. That's too much, taking too much time out of my day. I just want to wake up and look good. You feel me? Anyways, the next color I got is Bold Gold. Love blonde hair. That's my other favorite hair color, is blonde. Those are my two favorite. So that's cute. If I pop this right on top of this, I'm pretty sure it's gonna have me looking like pretty nice. So I can't wait to see how this one comes out. And then the last color I got is something I've never done before, which is crazy. And one of my friends was saying that she totally can picture me with this hair color and that I look like I would be wearing this hair color. So that's good. I can't wait. Something new. Got green. Boom. Maybe I'll do it for Christmas or something. I'm extra. Anyways, let's see if it is a little open. It smells good. Oh my gosh. That smells real good. You know I love coconuts. It smells like coconut is in here. I don't see anything that says coconut, but they have blue, they have purple, and they have those in that. Okay, so I'll just read this to y'all because unlike the shampoo and the conditioner, this is actually something different. I know we know how to use shampoo and conditioner. So it says curl color and curl your coils with 6 vibrant shades. This curl enhancing color gel provides a medium hold that lasts 1 wash. Using sub-micron technology, this flake-free formula features Jamaican black castor oil and ceramides to strengthen and moisturize your hair. Certified vegan and cruelty-free, so that's good. Really good that it's flake-free. I did see like on a review somewhere that like written that somebody said it was flaky, but I think like their response to everything was, did you follow the steps? Did you follow the steps? Or did you use this? Did you use the JBCO water? Which I do want to go get some JBCO water from Sally's, which is down the street. It's also at Target. Dang, I've been to Target a lot lately. I should have picked that up. But I really want to get that because it sounds really good, but I don't think I'll ever order products from their website again because it took forever for my products to get here. And I would hit them up, like they left me on red a couple of times after they told me to DM them on Instagram. But I think I will still support them and buy their products because it's really affordable. I think these cost like about $7. I think the most I spent was like maybe $11 or $12 on the coconut wash. It took forever. They never sent me my tracking number, so I didn't know that my package was downstairs at the mailbox for like a whole week. And I was like hitting them up, and they never said like, oh, it was delivered. Like, dude, I would have went downstairs and checked it out. But whatever, I have my products now. That's all that matters. We're over that hump, and I can't wait to try them out. I just will never order from them again. We'll go to Sally's, Target, and everywhere else that they have it. I think it might be at Ulta as well. But okay, so before applying, it is important to cleanse the hair using As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo or co-wash. Spray As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water liberally. So they want you to use their products. It's like a little step-by-step process. I don't have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil co-wash, but I do have the classic coconut co-wash. Hopefully that works. Apply As I Am Classic Leave-In Conditioner or Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner before coloring. Towel dry before applying curl color. Hair must be dry or damp, not dripping wet, before applying curl color to prevent color transfer. Oh, so all the people who keep, they probably ain't reading the directions. Because reading is fundamental. Use gloves to apply color. Ooh, I can add this to a service. I'm about to start. If you want temporary color, a twist out. Because it says great for twist outs, coils, wash and goes, and rod sets. So if you need a twist out and you want to try some color, hit me up. I got you. So those were the 5 little products that I got. What color should I do first? I really want to do red for some reason. Just calling my name. I just love red so much. But it's fall. Should I just put some more blonde on top? All I can think about is doing red, so I'm gonna do red. So let's get into it. We're going to start off wetting our hair, then we're going to grab the coconut co-wash. It feels really watery, but I ended up really loving this product. Definitely my favorite out of the 5 products that I bought. I'm then going to break it through and finger comb my hair to detangle it. I ended up cutting this wash routine short because the video was getting long, which is also why I ended up making it a 2-part special. Stay tuned for part 2. This video was originally like 50 minutes long the first time I went through it and cut it, so if you'd like a full wash routine video, comment below and let me know. Now we're going to get into this JBCO leave-in conditioner, which happens to feel watery as well. It's color time. Okay, so we're going to start off by parting our hair from the forehead to the nape of the neck. Make sure you have a mirror to check your work and correct any mistakes if need be. I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my parting, especially on my clients, but I can only be so meticulous on myself, so sometimes you might catch me with a crooked part. Don't come for me. At least I can do my own hair, and that's all that matters. Alright, so now that I have my middle part, I'm going to take the 2 sections and part them in half. Make sure those parts are clean, and then clip them up, leaving out 1 section to start on. Now time for gloves. No product left behind. I like to use every last bit of my products if I can. I'm going to take the color and rake it through, making sure to apply color all around the section of the hair that I'm working on and massaging it through. Trying to be clean in the process so I don't get any red color stained nastily around my face. After the color is thoroughly applied, then it's time to braid. I always try to braid all the way to the very end of my hair as best I can, but it was rather tricky with these gloves on, so I ended up taking them off to finish. Risking it all glove free, we're going to start on the next section by applying the color around the whole section, then raking it through, making sure to saturate the whole section thoroughly. I know we can't see back there, so all we can do is our best and hope it comes out correct. The anxiety I was having while doing this because, look at those hands. A mess. Hopefully it comes off easy. I noticed my curls loosening up a bit. They're usually not that loose and I don't usually use heat, so I think it's from the product being on the heavier side. Braid number 2 going up, featuring these murderous hands. Oh my gosh, this looks so crazy. I hope it's worth it. It better be, damn it. Burr. Surprisingly, the color washed right off. I'm grateful for that. Constantly cleaning up around my face to be on the safe side. Now, section number 3. You know the drill by now, or at least you should. Apply color on the section, then rake it through. Rake it through. And then braid. Comment down below if you'd like to see me do this again with the JBCO water, which I did end up purchasing after I recorded this video. I haven't really used it yet. I am curious to see if I get different results though. So if you guys want it, I'm down. Definitely will try to give y'all a better turnaround time now that I'm feeling better mentally. Thank the Lord. Alright y'all, so I got my 4 little delicious braids and braid, you feel me? Okay, so I'm gonna clean up this mess. I'm gonna clean up my neck and around here up because I don't want to be looking like this. Let me get to it, and while that's drying, I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks when I'm braided. Is it giving? Alcohol really was a lifesaver, but I'm pretty sure you could just use a small towel and hot water. A shower does wonders as well. Taking a blow dryer, I'm going over my hair with medium-low heat as best I can. It would be better if you have one of those portable hooded dryers to dry your hair more efficiently, but since I don't, this will do. I'ma thug it out. So, what are y'all plans for the holidays? Do y'all celebrate the holidays? Because I don't. What do y'all celebrate if you do? I should make a video on why I don't celebrate. Let me know if you're interested in the comments below. Okay, I think my hair is just about dry now. Oop, it's still transferring onto my hand. Let me try squeezing out the excess products with the napkin. See that? It's supposed to not transfer, but I'm guessing it has to be dry. Put transfers until dry. It's still bleeding. Did I use too much? I don't know. I'm tired of getting braid on my face. This is a 2-part video, so stay tuned for the next video where I'm taking down the braid out and letting you know how I feel about the product. Coming Thursday! Make sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you don't miss it. I'm here to show y'all that I followed all the directions and it's still transferring. Like, I followed the directions pretty much to a T. I just have that JBCO water, but I don't think that would make like that much of a difference. I do want to purchase it and then I will try it again, but that's not fun for it to just be transferring everywhere like this. Like, I'm gonna have to wrap my hair up like super good tonight. How good is cream, and I do not want this red shit all over it.